this might be canceled if I can't get this open. Oh God, babe, that's like really burnt. That's a shot glass. This is all of our food. Science! Quarantine just has me losing my mind. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday. It is podcast day. New podcast is live. I look like George Washington with my hair like this. Dylan's making some breakfast before work. Well, I was making it and then it kind of took over. It's sunny outside. Can't even tell. It's Wednesday, hump day.
Hump day.
Having some coffee. I just like shouldn't film this early. So I decided to do my workout before breakfast today. Well, actually, I made a piece of bacon because Dylan had a bacon egg sandwich and the bacon just smelled really good, so I made a piece for myself. So I had a piece of bacon, just did my workout, did abs today. I'm winded. I'm still not feeling like really hungry, which is weird because if you know me, I'm literally hungry all the time. So that's a little different. My head has hurt for the last, this is day 3. It hurts right here and it hurts really bad. But I also forgot to mention that it is my grandfather's birthday today. So another birthday in quarantine. But I told him he gets a do-over because anyone who has a birthday in quarantine gets a do-over. So it's his birthday. My grandmother had surgery yesterday, so they're just kind of laying low. They're still in Florida. Wow, look at this hair. It's just everywhere. Today's plan, I need to go grocery shopping and get a vlog up. That's kind of it. So I'm gonna make some breakfast even though I'm not super hungry. I was thinking about maybe making those pancakes again because that was kind of really good. So maybe I'll do that because I'm just not really feeling like eating an English muffin with banana and peanut butter, which I know, crazy. Like my mom's like shocked right now. Her jaw's probably on the floor. But I don't know, I just like, I think it's also because I don't have my usual English muffins, so I'm like, the other ones are okay. So I think I'm gonna make some of those pancakes, but I'm gonna add vanilla extract this time because they just weren't sweet, you know? So it's half a cup of oats, 2 eggs, a banana, and I'll do like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I add frozen blueberries. Okay, this is me like 5 minutes later. I'm actually not gonna make the pancakes because it took a long time last time, and I think I'm gonna save like those pancakes for like a weekend breakfast, you know, like a little treat. So I'm just gonna have an English muffin. I'm gonna get bags today so we can get rid of all these cans. Like it literally, if you look under our sink, brace yourself, we have one huge bag, another one in the back. Not to mention, we also have a bunch of like gallon bottles in here. So I'm gonna get those bags so we can get them out of the house because there's so many cans, which like it's like recycling is the point. I mentioned it in yesterday's vlog. The grocery store we go to, like they recycle them for you, but you have to like sign up for the program, and then they're supposed to send us like a card to get free bags, but it's like $1.75 for a thing of bags. So I'm just gonna buy them until that comes because I need these cans out of my house. What a look. I'm clearly ready to go to the store. I also need to get gas because I haven't gotten gas in a minute and it's wicked cheap. We're out of gloves, so I'm gonna use my, I'm matching. I'm gonna use my winter gloves, or a pair of winter gloves. I've been using like my good winter gloves and I'm like, maybe, I'm gonna set this down. And I was like, maybe I should stop doing that and washing them because I don't want those ones to get ruined. So I'm gonna use these ones. Or I might stop and see if Dylan can give me a pair. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be busy where he is. I also wish I had a mask because I'm sick of doing the scarf, which I wouldn't want to wear a mask either. I don't really like wearing masks. Obviously, you should. Like, I'm not saying I wouldn't wear one. Like, I would because we have to, but I don't really like to. I also don't really like to wear the scarf because I get fuzzies in my mouth. But yeah, I'm gonna go get gas and go grocery shopping. Okay, I am back from the grocery store and I just wanted to give you guys a little like haul. This is, I mean, obviously everything's a little weird because we're in quarantine, so it's not like a classic, typical grocery haul, but we are also having my dad's birthday here on Friday, so I did get a lot of stuff for that, but I'll just get into it. So this is all of our food. I just kind of put it on the counter and it's like overflowing, but we are doing fajitas for my dad's birthday, so I just got 2 packages of fajitas. Also, I wiped all of this down if you saw, so everything is clean. He wanted Spanish rice on the side, so I got some of that. We have one already, so I got an extra. Bacon, I was gonna get like real bacon this week, but with it, like the stores were just like crazy, so I just got that again because I just couldn't be bothered. Some cheese for the fajitas, and we're having tacos this week. Dylan always likes to have some goldfish. I got orange juice for Dylan, barbecue sauce just to have, and also we like to put on our nachos. Should I say we're having nachos this week and the fajitas? Well, we're having nachos this week. That's what I meant to say. We're out of ketchup. Got some, oh, that's an awful sound. Got some Cabernet Marinara, just some sauce in case you want to have pasta, just as like a backup. Got stuff to make margaritas, so I got margarita salt. I got, this isn't for the margarita, but I just got lemon juice just because I was getting lime juice and it's good to have. Lime juice. We got some simple syrup. We got some tequila, some orange liqueur, triple sec. That's not for the margaritas, oh my goodness. So that's all for margaritas. Got some rice vinegar for a recipe I'm gonna make, as well as sriracha. Got some tortilla chips for the for my dad's birthday to have chips and guac, and also for nachos. Got some black beans for nachos, bananas always, guacamole for my dad's birthday, chicken for the fajitas, oh, ground turkey to have tacos this week, bagels for Dylan for breakfast. I got my Fiber One multigrain English muffins for breakfast. Broccoli for a recipe I'm making this week. I'm making pad see ew. That's also what the rice vinegar and sriracha are for. Sour cream for the fajitas and for Dylan for tacos. Onions for a variety of all the recipes I'm making this week. I just put all of this in a bowl, and I got a bunch of red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, limes, tomatoes, all the things. Grapes to snack on, berries, blueberries to snack on and to have in yogurt, raspberries, blackberries. I got a bunch of these yogurts. These are my favorite. They're a Greek yogurt and they have 2 grams of sugar in them. They're really good. I got blueberry, vanilla, strawberry, and another blueberry. I got cupcake liners because I ran out just to have. I got birthday candles for my dad's birthday, but I'm gonna make him oatmeal raisin cookies because those were his favorite. I got 2 things of salsa, one for us to have, one to have with the fajitas. And that's it. This is all of our groceries for the next week or so. So yeah, that's everything. A lot of like milk, eggs, stuff like that. Coffee we got earlier in the week, or last weekend, this past weekend, because we were trying to extend the trip and we like doubled up on a lot of stuff. So we didn't need a lot of that stuff, but a lot of fresh produce and just, yeah, mostly things for this weekend for my dad's birthday. And yeah, I'm gonna put it all away now and then have some lunch. Got the bags. God bless. All right, guys, I don't remember the last time I vlogged. I think when I was putting groceries away, oh my gosh. Please ignore my appearance, wow. So I've just been sitting here editing vlogs and I need to self-tan my face, wow. was I saying? Oh yeah, I've just been sitting here editing vlogs, and I just edited 2 vlogs, and I just have to say, if you did not watch yesterday's vlog, or if you only watched the beginning, go watch the end, because I lost it. Like, I was being really funny cooking dinner, and I've decided that my cooking dinner segment of the vlog is now called Mariah Makes Dinner. So in today's segment of Mariah Makes Dinner, you'll see what I'm making tonight, because you know what, we're in quarantine and the highlight of my day is apparently making dinner. We're gonna try new recipes this week. It's gonna be great. Mariah's gonna make dinner for her family on Friday. Mariah's gonna make some snacks on Saturday. Like, Mariah's making dinner. Oh my god, I've lost it. Quarantine just has me losing my mind. But yeah, I've just been editing vlogs. 2 vlogs are exporting right now, and I'm gonna have a snack, watch some YouTube myself, and probably finish that up after Mariah makes dinner tonight. Can I not? But yeah, that's all that's going on. Okay, so since I'm having my parents and my brother over here for my dad's birthday on Friday, I wanted to, there we go, sorry, I had to fix the settings. I am gonna do margaritas, but I've never made like a margarita, like with like lime juice, triple sec, simple syrup, and tequila. I think that's it. So I want to try to make it right now so I know that if it's good or not. So let's do it, because it's 5:20 and we can. I mean, you can make a drink at any time, but first we need our ingredients. Oh, and I got the salt. All right, so we have El Jimador tequila. It was just, I don't know if that's a good kind. I've just seen it before, I think. Simple syrup, salt. That's a shot glass. Lime juice. Oh, I need an actual lime. And triple sec orange liqueur. And ice. And a lime. Alright, I also don't have a mixer. So I guess I'll just like pour it back and forth. I don't know, but I need to cut my lime. And then you want to do like a little slit in the lime. And then rim your glass with the lime. Save that for a second. Wait. Okay, good thing I'm doing this in advance and testing it out. I need the recipe because I don't know the measurements of everything. I just found a recipe on Pinterest. So if you go to my Pinterest, I think it's just like Mariah MacDonald. Homemade margarita. I'm gonna save it to my yummy board. All right, we need 1.5 ounces of tequila. How much is a shot glass? All right, we'll go with 1 shot, right? Oh great, I can't get the tequila open. Alright, this might be canceled if I can't get this open. Why do I have such a hard time opening things? Mom, if you're watching this, where do I get one of those grippy things that you have in the drawer that helps you open things? I feel like that's something you get like for free at like a job fair. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. So we want, should we put the ice in first? I do not know what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna do a shot of tequila. Do you think that's 1.5 ounces? What was it? A tablespoon, 1 ounce is 2 tablespoons. All right, so that's 1.5 tablespoons. If we pour it into here. Oh, it's gonna be a little strong. So this is like 2 ounces, which is 4 tablespoons. Okay. 1 ounce of lime juice. Why can't I open anything? 1, 2. 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. Why do I always say it like that? I always go with liqueur. Guys, I'm gonna get so good at this, I'm not even gonna have to measure it. Okay. And 1.5 tablespoons of simple syrup. Okay, my camera cut out, so I don't know what you missed, but I just mixed it and then I put the lime around this again. I was saying that you do that so that you can put salt on it around the rim, if you like that. Or sugar, but if you do sugar, then you're crazy, because that's disgusting. So we have our little salt, and you just take your glass, zip. Oh, I just got mixed in the salt. Pour your drink in. It's not even kind of full. For a taste test. I done did good. That's good. Mom, wow, we're gonna have a great time. This is the new segment called Mariah Cooks Dinner.
Woo!
No, Mariah makes dinner. Mariah makes dinner. Because it was funny yesterday. You should watch it. Oh God, babe, that's like really burnt. Should I throw 2 new pieces in?
No, I'll eat it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Also, we were having a little appetizer of pepperonis and crackers. Okay, presentation is weak, but Mariah makes dinner.
Being strong.
We're gonna eat this, and then we have to FaceTime my grandfather in 20 minutes at 7 o'clock, so we're gonna eat and do that.